Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we can refactor the code, and you could see in the last session we have discussed how to use a request as specification, right? But here you could see I have used before class, so separately we can store in the one variable whatever the common things which is available inside this request a specification. Like I have given the example of two, like base URI and header. So you should not write every test cases for this repeated things, right? So that's why the we use the request as specification. So last session we have already given the theory regarding the request specification. If you missed that video, so please watch it. So let's see how we can build this. So I have created one separate class, and when you are creating the separate classes, please import this package manually, right? So in my last session video, I have already posted the code, so you can copy paste, or in this video I will also post this code, guys. So I will create one repository and I'll post all the code over there, so no worries about that. Okay, so here as a class level, first initialize this request a specification, right? So let me first initialize this request a specification, request a specification. So guys, you can import the proper package. You can see request a specification. So this is your interface. So I'm writing request a specification. Okay, I'll create one before class. Okay, sorry, before class method. Okay, and here we will write before class, or you can write anything as per your standard. So I'm writing before class. Okay, now I'm trying to store this common things in this variable. Okay, so here I'll use this variable equal to I'll store. So I think we have another more method that is called with method. Okay, so we can use this with method. Okay, one second, it is not coming. Okay, so same thing we are trying to do here. So here we have a with. Okay, and now we have a base URI dot base URI. Okay guys, I think I was facing some problem. So you have to import this, I think this given and when. Okay, this given method, it's like the same like the when only. Okay, so you have to import this manually. Okay, and this is your static method. So please do that manually. I will this code definitely I will paste it in the comment, so that is very helpful. So if you are facing any problem, just you can copy paste in your system and you can execute and you can find the issue where you are facing the problem, right? So I was doing the same thing because I could find, here we have to make something like the static, then this code will work. Okay, so let me explain you. You can see the last session I have already discussed why we use this request specification. So you can see this I took as a class level variable, and request specification is your interface. So better you can go for the official documentation and you can explore the implementation class of request specification. You can make some proper notes as well. So if you will attend the interview, definitely you will get some more information when you will go for the library. Okay, and you could see here in before class, just I have a store, we have used the bit method. So what is the use of the bit method? Just you can explore here, start building and request part of the io.request, and this is the example they have given. Will send a post, or you can use this in the JSON and XML as well. The only difference between synthetical difference. So you could see the differences between bit and given as well. So you can do the mouse over, you will get the documentation as well. If you have any confusion regarding any methods, so you can do the same thing, right? So you can see just we have built this code, and we have a store, and simply I can use this variable I can use in the any test cases, right? In this class I will write the multiple test cases, so again I will not write this all the things in every test cases, which is this is common for all the test cases. So now I'm going to execute the same thing. We will use here given. Okay. Given, then here we will use a spec method. In the last session also we have used a spec method, and here you can pass this variable. Okay, so all the information we will get here, it will execute when this line of the code will execute, right? So this spec method will execute, so you should not give all the information again here. So a spec method will take care of that. Okay, so now after a spec, then same thing we can use given, then get method. Now we have a given sorry, when dot get. So I'll take this URL from any previous. So I'll do the same thing, or I'll do one more thing. I'll just copy paste this complete code. So I'm doing the same thing over there here. So you can type it, no problem, but I'm going to copy paste for your saving the time. Okay. So in the last session, you can see just I have everything I have included in the same, right? And we are returning this. But in this example, I have separated this, and this you can use in any test cases when you are going to build this. So let me just check my PPT. I have done anything extra, not no. So let me execute this and let's see how it will work. Okay. So let me execute. Okay, so you can see our test case is passed and we are getting 200 status code, and you could see here, you can see here, right? So my test case is passed, and that's all in this example, guys. So in this session, just we have learned how to reuse this request specification. That's all in this video, guys. So in the next session, bye bye. If you are new in the channel, please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. If you have any doubt, please comment below and definitely I will reply back to you. Thank you so much. In the next video.